Hi, welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things, and I'm super glad to see you here today. I hope you're having a great day or day of your choice. Please like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell down below. And I'm so excited today because you're here, we're here, and I have the Bambi Collection with Bambi Thumper and Flower Palettes. And I'll also be doing a giveaway of the Bambi palette, which I will show you now what it looks like. So you will get the Bambi palette, which is adorable. It's got a little mirror, and it is a 5-color pan in neutral colors. It is gorgeous. It is also going to be given away with the contents of this mystery bag. So that is something to look forward to. I will tell you how to enter to win a mystery bag full of stuff in the Bambi palette at the end of the video. So I'm going to be doing a look on each eye, one with Thumper, one with Flower, and we'll see which one we like the best. These are both color stories that I love, and I'll be doing swatches. And the first one I'm going to pull out is Flower. I'll get rid of the little protector. And it's got a cute little flower. Ooh, look, there's me in the mirror. And it's a beautiful purple. And you know how I am with purples. So I love that. And then Thumper is a more natural colored palette. What's up, Ruby? Ruby wants to be a part of the video. And this one has a little Thumper with the mirror, and it is a beautiful natural kind of palette. So very contrasting looks today, and we'll check it out right now with some swatches. My very favorite number 7 wipes. These are the Radiant Result wipes, and they are fantastic. That is exclusively what I use to take my makeup off with as part of my double cleanse, is that palette. And let's start swatching with Flower. And they're all very soft. And that is the Flower palette. And then let me get this totally clean for the Thumper palette. And there's the Thumper palette. They're both very beautiful and totally palettes that are totally in my wheelhouse of stuff that I like. And I am a fan of the packaging because I grew up with the Bambi cartoon, and Flower was my very favorite of all the Bambi characters. So let's start doing a look with Flower. You can call me Flower if you want to. Oh, I forgot to do my brows. Oh well, let me do my brows real quick, and then I'll be back to do the look with Flower. All right, we're back. My brows are now done. We're going to dive into this palette. I'm going to first take this brush and go into Pretty Flower and put that in the crease. Exactly like we'd want to. And then I'm going to go on the lid with Now I'm going to go in the crease with Little Stinker. Just a little kick up on Little Stinker. And that's very pigmented and very nice. And then I'm going to go on the lid with Oh Gosh. I don't have that many brushes, but I still fumble through them all the same. I'm going to bring Oh Gosh up. And then I'm going to take No Oh So Shy, go on the inner corner. And then I'm going to deepen it up a little in the outer corner with Hibernating. That is really beautiful. Louie, come on. Not you too. I'm just going to blend that out a little. And that is a very beautiful eye. And that is the Flower palette. And now it's time for Thumper. And I'm going to start in the crease with Friend Owl. It's a beautiful taupe shade. That is beautiful to start with. And now I'm going to go into Long Ears with this brush here. Do the outer corner. It's a little deeper. That was looking really pretty. Then I'm going to take I'm Thumping and put it on the lid. That is super cute. Blow a little of the extra off. And then I'm going to go above everything with Miss Bunny. And soften that up. Then I'm going to go into the crease deep with Great Big Feel. And let's blend that out. And let's just add some mascara. And I'll be using the Pat McGrath Fetish Eyes that I got from Ipsy Glam Bag X. in two very different looks, and I like them both equally for different reasons. And then I'm going to use a nice nude color, which is, I can never read this, which is Christmas Cookie, to go with both. And I have two great looks with two great palettes, Flower and Thumper, and I even have them on the correct side. So thanks for watching that part. And now the giveaway. What you'll be receiving in the giveaway is a Tony Moly mask, the Bambi palette, a hair mask from Pacifica, some Saint Lux limited edition liner duo. You'll be getting Vita 12, a jelly cleanser, a Go Big or Go Home mascara, and an Anastasia Beverly Hills lip gloss or lippy. I'm not sure if it's a matte or a gloss, but it's a beautiful color that'll go great with this. And to enter this giveaway, you have to say, enter me, and you have to tell me your favorite Disney character. So it could be from any Disney movie of any time, but you just have to tell me who your favorite is and enter me. You must be subscribed. Please like this, and you know, you have to say enter and who your favorite character is in a comment, obviously. And if you are following the rules, then you have a great chance to win. YouTube is not responsible for this contest. This is all my doing. I bought everything with my money, and I'm giving it away and paying for the postage. So since I'm paying for the postage, I ask that you be a U.S. resident or have a U.S. mailing address. I also want to let you know that you must be 18 or older to enter the contest. And there'll be some other details down below, so just check the description for all the details for the contest. I hope you have a great day or day of your choice, and good luck!